Hey man, it's Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, welcome back to another video. And as you guys can tell, we have the worn Lotas basically dropped. We're going to be reviewing a few of the pieces from this previous two collection. I think it's a total of like 6, maybe 7 pieces, and the resale value for all of these probably adds up to around like $800, because if you go through Grail, you can essentially see for worn Lotas pieces, you tend to be able to not double your money, but you get like 120 to 150% return depending on the item. And over here we have straight shirts, so I'm about to go ahead, put them all on the rack. We're gonna go ahead and just get a review. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion, and stay tuned to the end because you guys may be able to get your hands on some of these pieces because I will be reselling almost all of them. So let's get it. Alright guys, so right now we have essentially the full collection for you guys. Over the past 2 drops, I've purchased a total of 6 pieces. 2 of them are for personal, and as you guys can see, there's only 5 up here because one of these pieces, I'm going to tell you guys later on, I essentially went ahead and I doubled up on for personal, so there's no point in putting it up here. But nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to get started with the piece that I'm currently wearing. It is worn Lotas versus the World. It's basically like his take on Jason. As we guys can see, one side has like the Jason mask and the other side is like the skull version. So if you guys know worn Lotas, he has really cool graphics, but they all have like a skull theme, you know what I'm saying, or like a skull / like skeleton type theme. So you know he has to incorporate that in basically every single piece that he drops. And at the bottom, you kind of have the little worn Lotas on, you know, the lock. And overall, it's a very nice piece. I remember I saw it on his Instagram and I just knew like this is a piece that I had to get for personal. And let me be very real with you guys. Whenever it comes to the fit, it's really good quality. It's a nice fit. Other piece I went ahead and washed. It has some shit. I don't even think that it shrunk that much. If like at anything, they still both basically fit the same. Okay, and for the second piece, we have the Trouble in the Bubble tee in black, size large, of course. And I'm not gonna lie, like, if you guys were in tune with worn Lotas for like this drop, it was just so spontaneous, you know what I'm saying? It was right after the finals, right after like the championship game. And he went crazy, man. I had to make sure that I caught. So basically, this is for the Lakers. Seems like you got like a little Reaper holding a ball, Trouble in the Bubble. As you guys know, they were playing basketball in what was known as the bubble. So it's just like, you know, someone is watching over them, hence Trouble in the Bubble. But it is a really cool graphic. Personally, it's not my favorite. That's why I didn't double up on this one. It's not the one that I doubled up on. But I feel like it's a nice piece for anyone of you guys who may be interested in it. Alright, now we have the third piece basically in this little collection. We have the Lakers. You see the number 23 Lebron James, look like he's going for a dunk. This t-shirt I believe is called the LeBron 3. I don't really know what that means, but I'm pretty sure one of you guys can go ahead and break it down for me. But yeah, this is the piece that I basically doubled up on because I really wanted it for the personal. It's just crazy, you know what I'm saying? It's a cool take on LeBron, you know, the iconic little dunk that he always be doing. And overall, it was just tough. Whenever I saw it, I really wanted it. I'm going to be real with you guys. I really wanted this piece in the hoodie version, but the hoodies go for like double the price. So essentially, it was like cool, two bills for it. And I'm just like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get this. But I will get one of the hoodies in the future. Okay, so that one wraps up the finals drop. So it was like, there's like various pieces, but these were the 2 that I went ahead and copped. And now we're gonna go into this drop. And this piece was from that drop as well. Okay, so this piece right over here, the Hellosaurus. For this piece, we have the Flame Alia. As you can see, he had like this thing that's called the Hellosaurus collection. I don't really know what the take was. I don't know, like, I don't really know what the take was, but essentially, of course, it's still basketball themed. But these next 2 pieces that you guys are basically going to see, it has a lot going on this shirt. So we have someone basically with a basketball, like, charging in. You got flames all over. It's a Hell had a basketball team. See that they're in an alley. You got the basketball court on one side. You got little creature thing watching. And essentially, I just think it's a really cool graphic, especially for those of you guys who are struggling to find like cool, nice graphic type tees. This one, of course, is way more expensive, but like these are the type of styles and stuff that, you know, I mess with, that I would basically go for when it comes to like graphic tees. Just having a lot of components in one shirt. So overall, this one gets a stamp of approval from me, and I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like on body. Alright guys, and for the very last piece that we have in this collection, we have the Hellcore Tee. Of course, they're all in black. Out on the top, it's Hellosaurus in pink, and it's just, I mean, this one is very, very tough. You basically have a basketball player holding a basketball. You got the flame around him. You got these nice, cool little ball walls spinning things by the hoop, net rip. It has like this nice, cool, just clean wash going all over it. And then on the bottom of the shirt, it says, "Damned if you do, damned if you don't." And essentially, that's basically just kind of like his little take on, you know, how he basically got sued, and how basically everyone is coming after him for doing what it is that he's doing. And even if he wasn't doing it, people would probably be saying it, or if he stopped it, or whatever the case may be. But overall, these two shirts that you guys just saw, I'm messing with them heavy. None of you guys go ahead and check this one out on body. So essentially that wraps up this whole entire collection. These are all of the pieces that I have. Of course, my favorite pieces, they all came from this collection, which was one of his most recent drops. And essentially, if you guys want to get any one of these pieces, because each one of these pieces I'm basically reselling, just make sure that you're following @_easy resale on IG. I don't really know what I'm going to list them at. I'm basically going to go ahead and take a look at it, and then I'm going to deem whatever, like, you know what I'm saying, a good little price to where I feel like it's valued at. And overall, you guys go down below and comment which one of these pieces are your favorite. And if you could have any one of these pieces, which one would it be and why? Because overall, you know, I mess with Warren Lotas because regardless if you like what he's doing or not, you cannot lie that this is a tough t-shirt, especially for those of you guys who like graphic tees and like kind of like rocking things different, not just regular tees. You most definitely will like this. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys for staying tuned and watching the whole entire video. I just ask you guys go down below, smash up that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're less than 100 subscribers away from 3,000 subscribers, which is crazy. Stay tuned. I got another video dropping, minimal video in a few days. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.